I'm at a 2008 Jeep Liberty. I'm gonna pick it. This thing's not in focus. There, it's picked. Okay. Gonna decode it. 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3. So I cut the test key out. It's cold as hell. I want to hurry, but okay. So, trying to get lucky, I suppose. But hopefully you can see it. You got 2 T20 screws. You have to remove. Sometimes they're super hard to get to, or to get your screwdriver into. Once you get them, one just fell. This big guy. That. There's the immobilizer. Alright. So now I'm going to put this down and get at it. So I've got the Jeep Liberty hooked up to VVDI Prog. I'm going to open it up right now. Hopefully program in a remote head key before I get interrupted. Can hardly see my own screen. Now, I don't know if I have it connected well, but we'll try. That clip I have is not the best. Okay, we're going to verify. Gotta verify success. Save. Lib. What's the date today? Okay. Fuck. Sorry about that. I forgot that my Windows 10 antivirus deleted my VVDI2, so I had to plug in Tango. Got Tango plugged in. It's hopefully opening real quick, and hopefully I can hurry up and program this and be on my way, get paid. You know, I'm gonna go into Chrysler because I've only bought the Chrysler, not the Jeep, but it has the same module. It's calling for 1024 bytes. Type in lib. Bam. There it is. 3 keys. I'm going to overwrite key 3, because that's the one that I programmed last time and she lost it. Program for me, baby. I'm gonna try and write this in. I'm gonna scroll over, put V2. Says it's been created. And I must rewrite the EEPROM. I'm going to go ahead and load version 2 in. Here it is. I'm going to identify key number 3 is in Tango. Okay. Close Tango. Go down to Prague. Still loaded. I'm going to open Liberty version 2. I'm going to write and hit yes. Verify. Good to go. Alright. So next I cut the key. Be right back. Emo's still hooked up over there. Talk shit about my setup in my van, I don't care. Gotta plug that in real quick. Stop moving on me. Okay. Make sure this isn't upside down. Okay. Security light. Oh yeah, baby. Program's right in. Yeah. Fun. All right. Security light out. Job done.